I will show you where to locate your Coinbase tax documents and what to review before filing. To obtain tax documents for your crypto activity, you can access them through your account settings or by selecting See All on the left side under Home and scrolling down to the Taxes sections at the bottom. You will see a reference to a new 1099-DA tax form that the IRS created to report the sale or exchange of digital assets. For tax year 2025, Coinbase and other US-based crypto brokers are required to report only the proceeds from sales or exchanges. Cost basis information may be missing from your 1099-DA for 2025, although many exchanges may include that information if available. Starting in 2026, the 1099-DA is required to include cost basis information for covered transactions, meaning anything that took place after January 2025. You can see that Coinbase issued me a new 1099-DA on January 19, 2026. I can download it here since I will need it to file my taxes. If I select View Document, I can see all my tax forms and supporting documents for previous years. For years before 2025, you will not see a 1099-DA because this is a new form. Before 2025, some crypto exchanges issued Form 1099-B or 1099-K to report crypto sales. For certain types of crypto income, such as staking or mining, you may receive Form 1099 miscellaneous if the amount was over $600. And in some cases, non-employee crypto payments could be reported on Form 1099 NEC instead. Now let's download the 1099-DA. This form is a summary of your short-term and long-term capital transactions. Long-term transactions are those where you held the crypto for more than 1 year before selling or exchanging it. The 1099-DA shows totals for each category of transactions. It does not list every trade in detail. For the detailed information, you should download the Gains and Losses report, which provides the breakdown that supports the totals shown on the 1099-DA. If your 1099-DA does not include cost basis, you must provide it yourself. You can select the option to edit cost basis details for your transactions. Scroll down to add missing cost basis information for a specific tax lot. Then click Go to Add Transaction Details. You may see transactions here from external wallets or platforms where Coinbase does not have cost information. In those cases, Coinbase may default to a zero cost basis and use the date the crypto was received as the acquisition date. This is usually not accurate and could result in higher reported taxable gain. This is why it is important to gather your records and update the correct cost basis and purchase date. I have a note here showing that all my cost basis information is up to date. You can also change the tax year and filter by sell or exchange activity, since those are taxable events. You can use tax impact filters to review items such as crypto income from mining or gains and losses from sales and exchanges. Continue with the full crypto tax playlist here. Thanks so much for watching.